Tired of missing out on crucial messages and struggling to efficiently manage your incoming SMS? Let's dive right into setting up your Telnyx account to effortlessly receive messages, ensuring you never miss a beat. First, head over to Telnyx.com and either log in or create a new account. Once you're logged in, you'll land on your Telnyx portal dashboard. This is where you control all your communication settings. The next crucial step is to acquire a Telnyx phone number. Navigate to the phone numbers section, usually found in the left-hand menu here. You can search for and purchase a number that meets your specific needs. Make sure the number you choose has SMS capabilities enabled. Now, let's configure a messaging profile. This profile acts as a set of instructions for how Telnyx should handle your incoming messages. Find the messaging profile section, also typically in the left-hand menu. Create a new messaging profile. And the most important setting here is the inbound webhook URL. This URL is where Telnyx will send information about every incoming message. You'll need a server set up to receive and process this data. Paste the URL of your server endpoint into the inbound webhook URL field. Finally, link your newly acquired phone number to the messaging profile you just created. This tells Telnyx to use that profile's settings for all messages received on that number. Save your changes and you're all set. Now, whenever a message is sent to your Telnyx number, the details will be instantly sent to your specified webhook, allowing for seamless delivery and automated processing. You are now ready to receive messages.